Middleburg is known for its charm, a community filled with homes that blend traditional Southern design, modern updates, and Florida's unique architectural flair. From cozy bungalows to spacious contemporary builds, no two homes are exactly alike. That's why custom window replacement is such an important option for Middleburg homeowners. Standard, one-size-fits-all windows may not always suit your property's look or needs, but custom windows can enhance both the style and functionality of your home while offering lasting value. Why custom windows matter in Middleburg? Many homes in Middleburg feature unique details, such as wraparound porches, gabled roofs, or elegant facades that reflect Florida's mix of historic and coastal influences. Installing standard windows can sometimes clash with the original design or miss opportunities to highlight your home's best features. Custom window replacement ensures that the size, shape, and style perfectly complement your home. The windows blend with architectural details instead of looking out of place. You get the energy efficiency and durability needed for Florida's climate without sacrificing style. Window styles that match Middleburg's homes: traditional ranch and bungalows. For smaller ranch style or bungalow homes, double-hung windows are a popular choice. They offer classic appeal, allow for easy cleaning, and provide excellent ventilation, perfect for warm Middleburg afternoons. Southern colonial homes. Colonial-style homes often feature symmetrical window layouts. Custom grid patterns, bay windows, or elegant casement windows can enhance the timeless charm while giving you modern performance benefits. Contemporary builds in newer developments, large glass panels or picture windows are often used to create open, airy interiors. Custom oversized windows or combinations of casement and awning windows provide expansive views and let in natural light while maintaining a sleek, modern look. Coastal and Florida-inspired homes. Many Middleburg homes borrow design elements from coastal styles. Impact-resistant custom windows are a must here, offering both protection against Florida storms and beauty with options like sliding or floor-to-ceiling designs. Benefits beyond style. While matching your home's style is important, custom window replacement offers practical benefits that go beyond aesthetics. Energy efficiency. Tailored windows with low E coatings and double-pane glass help reduce cooling costs in Florida's heat. Durability. Custom frames can be designed to withstand Middleburg's humidity and storm season, with materials like vinyl or fiberglass outperforming traditional wood. Noise reduction. Families living near busy roads can opt for acoustic glass in their custom designs to create a quieter home. Resale value. Buyers in Middleburg often notice the details. Custom windows add curb appeal and can increase your property's overall value. Why professional installation matters. Even the best custom windows won't perform well if they're not installed properly. Gaps, poor sealing, or misalignment can lead to drafts, leaks, and reduced energy efficiency. Professional installers ensure precise measurements for unique window sizes. Proper sealing to protect against humidity and storms. Compliance with local building codes and energy standards. Hiring local professionals familiar with Middleburg homes also means they understand the area's unique styles and weather challenges, giving you results that last. Final thoughts. Custom window replacement is one of the smartest ways for Middleburg homeowners to blend modern performance with unique home styles. Whether you live in a traditional bungalow, a stately colonial, or a sleek modern build, the right custom windows can elevate your home's character while protecting it from Florida's climate. By working with experienced professionals, you can achieve a balance of beauty, comfort, and efficiency that complements your home's architecture and provides peace of mind for years to come.